I'm going to anchor my fourth finger. It makes it a little easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift your third finger. Lift your second. Put your second back. Put your third back. Now we're going to arpeggiate the chords. Starting with the same 3 chords, we're going to pick one string at a time. So we use the pick over here. Actually, it's going to be playing back here like this. So you pick down on the D or 4th string, down on the G or 3rd, down on the 2nd or B, down on the thin E or 1st string, and then you're going to let the pick come on the up part of the pick, which is this, the top side, and you'll pick the B or 2nd string one time, and then the G or 3rd string one time. So it sounds like this. And then you're going to do that one time like this with each chord. Then you're going to lift your 3rd finger and go to your 2nd finger and do the same thing over here. Then go back to your 2nd finger. That's a lot of fun. Makes the chords sound more interesting. So let's do that with the metronome at 100 beats per minute. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.